Good morning to our supervisor and our examiner. I am Kusing and my matrix number is 66399. I am majoring in software engineering. Today I will present the final year project 1. Nowadays, life is filled with responsibility and stress. As a result, people are vulnerable to various diseases, and it is our responsibility to keep ourselves fit and healthy. The category of patients involve all human beings like teachers, students, housewives, children, and others that have a busy schedules. If the patient stays at home, they may have someone look after him or her, but if the patient is not at home, it is difficult for family members to remind them of their doses timing every time. Nowadays, everyone's on a smartphone. As a result, we will be able to make greater use of technology and make it more beneficial to us. It also plays a vital role in our daily life, assisting us in remaining fit in a variety of ways. Patients have a notable problem in that they forget to take the correct pills in the proper amounts and at the proper times. Drug adherence, or the degree to have which a patient takes the proper pills at the right time according to a doctor's prescription, has recently become a serious concern since several studies have shown that non-adherence can have a negative impact on the patients, resulting in higher medical costs. As a result, we are developing an Android application whose goal is to use a reminder application to remind patients of their dosage schedules so that they can keep fit and healthy. They can use the navigation to find contact information so that they can receive correct treatment on time. This app is for folks who forget to take their pills sometimes. Users can establish with the fields of date, times, and pills description, allowing them to set alarms for numerous pills at different time intervals. Pills reminder assist in reducing medication dispensing errors and incorrect doses. Currently, people with chronic disease, particularly those who must manage more than one pill or take pills more than once a day, may not take their pills properly. Some of the people is also easily to forget their time to take pills, and this will affect their health. Pills reminder apps can solve all the problems. This mobile application will provide a platform for people necessary to remember their times and date for taking pills. Besides that, this application will protect the privacy of users. Furthermore, the application will provide an emergency link for the user when they need help. So, it is focused on developing a pills reminders mobile application that is more convenient for users to remember the times and date to take pills. Furthermore, it can approach the application by using their mobile phones at any times and anywhere. The objective of my project is to build a mobile pills reminder application that aims to remind users to take pills. Second, to provide a user profiles help in providing additional security to users. Lastly, to provide an emergency link for the user when they are urgent or need help. The methodology used in this project is waterfalls. The waterfall model is a popular approach to the software development life cycle in software engineering and product development. It is a linear sequential approach to the SDLC. The development process will be divided into several phases. Each phase is carried out in strict chronological order, which means that each phase must be completed before the next phase can begin. The 7 phases include requirements, analysis, designs, coding or implementations, testing, operation or employment, and the last one is maintenance. Phase 1 requirements. The requirement analysis phase is mainly to collect and standardize data such as user requirements for the application and data required for the development of the application. It involves the collection of information and questionnaire through Google Forms to understand their requirements on the Pulse Reminder mobile applications. This collected data will be evaluated and documented for future use in the design and development of the applications. Phase 2 analysis. The questionnaire results are important to analyze the user requirements for the Pulse Reminder mobile applications before starting on the designing stage. Phase 3 design. In the design phase, user interface design Pulse Reminder mobile applications will be produced to show the graphical user interface and navigation for the application. The design of features in the applications will be based on the requirements collected from users. Phase 4 coding implementation. In the implementation, the model that designed on the design phase will be converted into real mobile applications. This application will be built according to the requirements of this project. Phase 5 testing. After the Pulse Reminder mobile application is being developed, system testing is performed by any users to evaluate the system to ensure it meets the technical and functional requirements. Besides, the code is tested to examine the performance of the applications to eliminate the bugs that exist. Phase 6 operation or deployment. The Pulse Reminder mobile applications is deemed fully functional and is deployed to a live environment. Phase 7 maintenance. The maintenance phase is mainly to maintain the functional aspect of the system. This process includes discovering system errors and repairing and improvement in the system in time so that the system can run smoothly and ensure that all systems function and can be performed well. Significance of project. In the era of technology advancement, health is important in our life and using the Pulse Reminder application has become the new phenomenon. Users are adopting in it as it brings convenience to their lifestyle. With the Pulse Reminder applications, users can remember their times and date to taking pills and their doses so that they can keep fit and healthy. Project schedules. The project will be divided into two parts, namely FYP1 and FYP2. For FYP1, a brief proposal and full proposal will be submitted, followed by Chapter 1, Introduction, Chapter 2, Background Literature Review, State of Art, and Chapter 3, Methodology, Requirement Analysis, and Design. A final report will then be submitted. And this is the picture of my schedules. Expected outcome. Working and fully functional mobile application that can make it easier for users, especially people that take pills regularly. These Pulse Reminder apps will be a user-friendly mobile applications. These mobile applications should also help users to remember their times to taking pills, what kinds of pills they want to take and the doses. Once reach the times and date cleared, they will be notified to take the pills. This app will also provide an emergency hotline which they can call immediately when they are not feeling well. Lastly, the mobile application should run fine and able to use without any errors or bugs. Review on related existing system. So this is the Check your Pills mobile applications, and the second one is the Pills bar mobile application. The third one is the Raw Health mobile applications, and the fourth feature is Med Control mobile applications. Proposed system. The proposed Pills reminder applications will become simple and efficient. The apps include features such as adding the Pills name, the times and date they want to take pills, and the doses. To save their profiles and view their schedules, users must first log in to the system. Additionally, these apps will provide an emergency link so that they can click and call immediately if they are not feeling well. Comparison of functionality and features between existing systems and proposed system. Based on the table above, all four existing systems discussed above are having similar features, which are add the schedules, the names of pills, get reminder at exact times, and free of charge. Overall, Take Your Pills had received the highest rating because the system has an excellent user interface, design, and the entire order process runs smoothly and without bugs. Take Your Pills is more dependable because the system is consistent and all tasks are completed within the time frames specified. Most of the users were pleased with the features offers. Although Raw Health have same feature with Take Your Pills, but it is an iOS mobile application. The proposed system makes all the features that in the table above as shown. The special features which only applicable for the proposed system is provide registration and login access functionality in order to save personal information and prefer location in the database. Furthermore, users can use the emergency help link to make a direct call to hospitals if they need assistance or help. The proposed system allows users to view their schedule with all the details. Use case diagram. The actors in this application is for any users. From the user side, they can register accounts, log in, edit profile, create schedules, name of pills, doses of pills, use date and time pickers, set notifications, and use the emergency link. System design. Feature 1 shows the register interface for new users to create an account in Pills Reminder applications. New users are required to fill in username, email, phone, and password for register an account. In order to log in an existing account, users are required to key in their username and password as shown in Pictures 2. If customers forgot their password, they could press on Forgot Password button to link them to recover password page, and they need to fill in their email to change the password. Picture 3 shows the main page for Pills Reminder applications. They have a button to create schedules and the link to click if they need emergency help. Picture number 4 shows the site navigation page. The site navigation page is available for each page. User can edit profile and log out from this page. For the picture number 5, it is the Create Schedule page. User can create schedule by clicking the Create Schedule button from the main page. User can enter the names of pills, the doses of pills, set the date and the reminder times, day and the notifications. After that, users need to save the schedules. For the picture 6 is the edit profile page. The edit profile page from user side. User can edit the username, emails, phone number, and password to update their latest personal details. Then they can press on Save buttons to make change on their profiles. That's all from me. Thank you.